All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to show you how to use AI CRM agents. You can pick one or build your own.
So without any setup, Breakcold will automatically create follow-up tasks for you so that your only job is to show up on this dashboard every single day and just to execute. It will create tasks for email like LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp, and soon Phone when we'll add calling to Breakcold. So essentially, you see here, then you just go to your task and then you can be like extremely productive and do a lot of things. But some people, they ask the question, yeah, but me, I like to follow up every 3 days. Me, I like to follow up every 2 weeks because I have longer sales cycle. So how can you influence the AI task creation? It's pretty simple. You click on Configure Vision, and then as you can see on the right side, you can select your AI personality, aka your AI agent. And as you can see, by default, when you will arrive on Breakcold, you will have an AI personality assigned depending on what you filled during the onboarding. From there, you can just select a new AI personality and it will adapt like the frequency of the task creation and how it creates the task, etc. However, if you want to go a little bit further, you can also create your own AI personality. It's very easy and straightforward, and you can add like specific roles. For example, here I created myself an AI personality that basically says that it doesn't create tasks all the time. And so just by using natural language, I said when I have this type of leads, I don't want the task to be created. And specifically, it was to engage new leads that I don't have conversation with. It was basically creating the task. And I say, no, don't create tasks unless I have an ongoing conversations with them because I'm only interested with the AI creating tasks for conversations that started where I only have to follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up because it's the most important things to close deals.